When a customer came in reporting that the check engine light was on, I started the diagnosis by connecting a scan tool. The scan tool revealed two codes, P0138, O2 sensor circuit high voltage, bank 1 sensor 2, and P0139, O2 sensor circuit slow response, bank 1 sensor 2. To investigate further, I let the engine idle until it reached its normal operating temperature. While monitoring live data on the scan tool, I noticed that the oxygen sensor for bank 1 sensor 2, B1S2, was stuck at a high voltage level. To confirm the issue, I increased the engine speed to 2500 RPM and continued monitoring the oxygen sensor's voltage. The sensor remained fixed at a high voltage, which is abnormal. Then I snapped the throttle, expecting to see fluctuations in the sensor's reading as the engine conditions changed. However, the sensor's voltage still did not change. Next, I created a large vacuum leak at idle to force the air-fuel mixture to lean out significantly. This should have caused a noticeable drop in the oxygen sensor's voltage, but the sensor's reading remained fixed. To further test, I induced propane into the intake manifold, which should have caused a rich condition and increased the sensor voltage. Again, there was no change. These tests confirmed that the oxygen sensor was unresponsive and not functioning as it should. I performed a visual inspection of the B1S2 oxygen sensor wiring harness, looking for signs of damage such as frayed wires or corrosion. Everything appeared to be in good condition. I then disconnected the sensor harness connector and inspected the terminals for any faults such as bent pins or dirt, but found none. Using a multimeter, I tested the sensor's signal circuit for shorts, and the results confirmed that there were no circuit issues. Based on these tests, I determined that the oxygen sensor for bank 1 sensor 2 was faulty. The sensor was not providing accurate readings, which caused the engine control module ECM to misinterpret the air-fuel mixture and trigger the error codes. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty oxygen sensor with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test to ensure the repair was successful. The vehicle operated normally, the check engine light remained off, and no new fault codes appeared. This approach ensured that the problem was accurately diagnosed and properly resolved. Oxygen sensors are crucial for monitoring the air-fuel ratio and ensuring the engine runs efficiently. A faulty sensor can cause poor performance, higher emissions, and reduced fuel efficiency. By systematically testing the sensor and its related components, I was able to confirm the root cause and avoid unnecessary replacements.